Hey awesome people, you are welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruby in case you're seeing me for the first time. Alright, today I'm going to be showing you how to tie this beautiful Zara scarf, also known as rich auntie's scarf. This scarf is very easy to tie and we're going to jump into this tutorial in a short while. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please why not take some seconds and hit that red subscribe button you can see beneath this video so you can join this amazing family. And if you're an old G, thanks for always coming back to watch my videos. I really do appreciate you guys. All right, feel free to share this video with your family and friends, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. So I have a full scarf here to work with. So this is like 1.2 inches. So I'm going to fold these in a triangle form, and then I'll start folding these. I'm going to fold it 4 times. So you can fold yours more than 4 times depending on how thick your fabric is, but 4 is perfect. Once I'm done with that, I'll place it on my head and start to tie. Make sure your scarf aligns with your eyebrow. I'm going to turn to the back and show you guys how to fold it at the back. Tie and make sure it is strong on your head, and then tie the second time to reinforce it. Take one end of the scarf and fix it in, and take the other end and fix it in. So at the end of the day, you have your tail, and then take the tail and fix it inside your scarf. This is a very easy tutorial. Just fix it and make sure all the loose ends that the scarf has is well tucked in. All right. So I'm trying to tuck this scarf in to make sure everything lays on the head properly. Alright guys, so this is what we have. It's amazing. It is beautiful. This scarf can be tied to any occasion and you look rich. So this is all about it for this scarf. This is very easy to tie. You can wear this to a wedding. You can wear this to any function you like and you appear rich. This is all about it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and feel free to share this video with your family and friends. Until next time guys, stay blessed and I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye.